Hi everyone, this is David with National Property Inspections. Today we're talking about shutoff valves. Shutting off your gas and water is something you probably won't need to do very often, but you'll be happy to have that knowledge if a repair emergency ever comes up or you need to do some routine work on your house. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to locate those shutoffs. We'll start with the gas. To shut off the gas, you'll go to your individual appliances that are hooked up to the line, like your water heater. You will see a lot of piping, but luckily they try to make it fairly obvious which valve is your shutoff. It's probably going to be a little red lever, and you might even see a service tag there. Go ahead and give that lever a half turn. When it's perpendicular, your gas is off. For any other appliances connected to your gas, you're going to look for a similar lever and give it that one quick turn. Now let's head over to the water shutoff. The location of the water shutoff varies from house to house, but one way to find it is to go outside and locate your water meter. It'll look like a round plate in the ground, like this. Your shutoff is going to be a straight shot from that water meter into your house. This could be a finished first floor room, or it could be an unfinished area of your basement. Once you locate your shutoff, if you have a newer home, you're probably going to see a brightly colored handle or lever, very similar to your gas shutoff. If your home is older, it could be a simple knob. For a handle, go ahead and turn it so it's perpendicular to the valve body. For a knob, turn it clockwise till you can't turn it anymore to shut your water off. This has been David with National Property Inspections. We appreciate you joining us, and if you have any current or future inspection needs, be sure to give your local NPI inspector a call. Thanks again, and have a great day.